At first glance, they look like regular glasses, but once you get closer, you'll notice two cameras on the front and an integrated AI system. These are the W610 Smart Glasses, and they let you listen to music, answer calls, talk to AI, take photos, and record videos, all without pulling out your phone. I've used them while driving, working, walking around the city, and even at the beach, and the experience feels surreal because no one notices you are connected. And the interesting part is that even though they look like simple glasses, the technology inside is way more impressive than you'd expect. Let's talk about the design so you can see why. The first thing that stands out when you take them out of the box is how lightweight they are. Literally, they feel just like regular glasses. They don't feel like a gadget and they don't put pressure on your ears or nose. The design is clean, modern, and discreet. The temples are slightly thicker because that's where everything is: speakers, sensors, AI, and cameras. But they don't look bulky or uncomfortable at all. They're flexible, durable, and they match casual, sporty, or work outfits perfectly. After a while, you honestly forget they are packed with so much tech inside. And if the design already caught your attention, wait until you see what they can do with just a tap on the temple. This is where things get interesting. With just a tap on the temple, you can play your music, skip tracks, answer calls, activate AI, take photos, and record videos. The audio comes through directional speakers without blocking your ears, perfect for driving, walking, or working without being isolated from your surroundings. The microphone really surprised me. People could hear me clearly even while walking, and the camera captures exactly what you're seeing. Everything syncs to the app in seconds. And if you're wondering how good they actually sound, let me tell you something I didn't expect. The sound is better than you'd expect from a pair of glasses. It's clear, clean, and more than good enough for music, podcasts, or videos. Sure, the bass isn't like premium headphones, but for everyday use, they perform really well. In very noisy environments, audio detail can drop a bit. But that's normal with open speakers. For driving and walking, they're amazing because they don't block out the world. And for calls, they work incredibly well. The microphone picks up your voice clearly and sounds very natural. But if you enjoy recording your life, this is the part I enjoyed the most. With just one button, you can record video from your point of view. Whatever you're looking at gets recorded. It's perfect for capturing spontaneous moments, driving at the beach, training, or creating POV content. Then you open the app and everything is right there, ready to save or share. One thing to keep in mind, if you record for more than 3 minutes, the glasses start to warm up. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something you should know. And speaking of real world use, let me tell you how they feel day to day. The battery lasts longer than I expected. For music, calls, AI, and short videos, they easily last through a normal day. Charging is fast and you don't need any weird charging docks. In everyday use, they're extremely practical. No searching for headphones, no pulling out your phone. Everything is right on your face. Before we continue, if you enjoy this type of content, leave a like and subscribe. It really helps me keep bringing new products to the channel. Let's continue. Three situations where I enjoyed them the most. Working out, they were great for listening to music or podcasts while exercising. Work, they protected me from the sun while letting me listen to music and answer calls directly from the glasses. That level of convenience was on another level. Walking, I enjoyed music while walking without feeling isolated, no discomfort from the sun, and I could record naturally. That part is crazy. People don't even realize you're recording. These are the kind of gadgets you didn't know you needed until you try them. And if you're wondering whether they're actually worth it, check this out. Pros: comfortable, lightweight, and discreet. Clear sound without traditional headphones. Fully hands-free experience. Excellent call quality. Great for first-person photos and videos. Built-in AI, very comfortable for daily use. Cons. Audio loses clarity in very noisy environments. Not a replacement for high-end headphones. Functionality depends on the app. Can get warm during long recordings. So with all that in mind, who are these glasses really for? They're perfect for people who value simplicity and functionality in their daily lives. If you're always on the move and want to stay connected without carrying multiple devices, these glasses are for you. Outdoor enthusiasts will love them. They protect your eyes from the sun while keeping you entertained and connected. They're also a great option for anyone who wants to capture spontaneous moments from a unique point of view without holding a phone or camera. And if you're a tech enthusiast who enjoys innovative gadgets, these glasses deliver a futuristic and impressive user experience. With smart glasses, technology and style come together to give you the best of both worlds. The W610 Smart Glasses aren't perfect, but what they do very well. They're comfortable, discreet, and surprisingly useful for everyday life. If you want to see more details or grab a pair, I'll leave the purchase link in the description with the best current deal. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like to support the channel. I'll see you in the next review.